Hello, guys. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Today I am going to the store so I can get something to eat. But look what I found. Empty shelf. This is Walmart. Nothing on that shelf. No bread. But look at this shelf too. Look at this shelf. It's like not much meat in there. Nothing much at all because of the snowstorm last week and all the there's a little chicken in there, but and a little pork, which is not normal for us as a Texan. But it still have a little meat to buy. It could get worse, or maybe someday we just wake up and nothing to buy anymore, so we just get ready for it. But anyway, I'm not trying to scare anybody, but it could happen. So there's some ground beef. What happened is the snow that we have last week, for the whole week we have a snowstorm and ice rain, and nobody can deliver food here in Texas. So that's what happened. We ran out of everything, but we are still lucky and we survived for that little season. So now I am out of that store and I am heading home with not much meat or not much food in my car. So I am driving home and I saw that helicopter right in front of me where I work is dropping some bad patient to our hospital. So I am driving home and relax and do whatever I can do to just survive. Anyway, it's a pretty day, not like it was last week that I cannot drive at all in that stormy snow and ice rain because I'm scared.